Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video we're going to talk about a checklist that you should go through before you start your gas-powered snow thrower before the season starts. Let me show you what to look for. Okay, let's start with just an overall walk around of the machine. Take a look at it, make sure that everything looks to be in good working order. You may want to also pay attention to any parts of the machine that are put together, meaning that bolts and screws are tight, that everything is operating, the safety handle appears to be working and operating properly. Take a look at the wheels, make sure those are in good repair and also tightened to the appropriate level of tightness, that nothing's loose. You can also take a look at the paddles. In this particular one, it's a single stage snow thrower, so there's only one set of paddles and there's a rubber kind of edge that goes around the metal framework. Make sure that looks to be in good repair as well. On the paddles that actually pick up and throw the snow, on this particular unit, you'll notice that it's a kind of a rubber set of treads that get attached to a metal framework. Make sure all of those fasteners are tight and that the rubber looks to be in good shape so it's ready for the season. These rubber pads can be replaced. Then it's also a good idea to check the oil. This is very important to make sure that the oil is at the right level. We have a different video on how to change that oil as well. And then the fuel. If you have not yet started the motor up yet, make sure that there's enough fuel in the tank. And it's also a good idea on anything that is moving and operating, use a little lightweight oil to lubricate it. And finally, on this particular unit, while it does have an electric start, it also has a pull cord. Make sure that that pull cord is in good repair. Slowly pull that out and make sure it's not worn or torn so that when you go to use this machine in the middle of winter, it's ready to go. And that's it. Now, if you need more help or advice, you can always go to acehardware.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.